Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch Do It Yourself. Today we are working on a squeaky hinge. Now, I know most of you have had this problem. If you haven't already, you definitely will. And your go-to has probably been WD-40. Well, let's show you a couple different methods and why I don't like WD-40. Is there a better method than WD-40? The answer is 3-in-1 lubricant. Now, here's why I like the 3-in-1 over and above WD-40. Okay, we have a really annoying squeaky door hinge. So what happens with WD-40? Yes, it works. If you have it on hand, use it instead of getting a 3-in-1, but this is only like $4. I'll leave a link in Amazon. But one thing I don't like about this, so watch. When you go to use the WD-40, you squirt it in there, but you see how it's starting to drip down? So you have to, see that grease that's coming down? It's a pain in the butt to always have to have this on hand to make sure you catch the drips. And you see how even with the wipe, if you don't have a wet cloth coming behind you, that is going to stain. So yes, it works great, but let's take a look at the 3-in-1. With the 3-in-1, you've got a really small tip that you can control the amount of oil that's coming out. So see how it's a little bit thicker? And it doesn't come down very fast. See how it's just barely coming down. It doesn't drip like the WD-40 does. So I'll just kind of put it around like that. And see, even at the bottom, it doesn't drip. It's too thick to do that. So you can catch the drips way faster. So as we do each hinge, I like to open and shut and really work that in. And we're still hearing the squeak because we've got another hinge to do. But at least that top one is looking a lot better. I will bring a cloth back and just kind of get the excess, but we're not dripping down the wall and you don't have to have have to quick and get wet and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and move to the next one. Same thing, we'll start at the top. We'll start at the top and just kind of go around each hinge. You might hear a squeak or two while we're working it. Looks like the bottom hinge still is squeaking. So let's go ahead and do one more down at the bottom. And I'm not even really squeezing much out of the bottle. And we'll go ahead and work it in. Okay, so after we do that, you work the door open. It's not rocket science, but this is one thing I really like about the 3-in-1 is because unlike the WD-40 that just drips everywhere, this stays in place a little bit better. Also, because it is a little bit thicker, it will last a little bit longer than the WD-40. So that's always a good thing too. But once you get it on there, like I said, you'll do all the hinges and then just really work it back and forth. And then you can hear that is no longer squeaking. So I got another couple doors to do. Let's go give it a shot. Okay, we have a really squeaky door here. As you can hear, I like to work on the back side just because the whole entire hinge is exposed. So we'll go ahead and put the 3-in-1 up at the top again. And it doesn't take that much, but you can see, I just go around all the different areas, just like that. Anywhere that the hinge works. I'll do all 3 of them right now. That's one thing that I like about this too is because it is thicker, you don't have to worry about so much of the drips. And really, you do not need to use that much. So I'm not even squeezing the bottle, I'm just letting the gravity pull it out. So we'll just keep going all the way down, all 3 hinges. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next project.